One of the biggest advantages of LinkedIn is that you can say hello really fast, and you do that with the very front and cover of your profile page. So on LinkedIn, you will have a user profile that allows you to showcase so much of what you do. Now, there are many ways to use this, but there are some little tricks here with which you can do a great deal. So let's go take a look at a LinkedIn profile, and since I would like to walk the talk, I'm going to show you mine. And the very top element of my LinkedIn profile includes the banner, a profile image, a voice greeting, a headline, contact info, a link, services, and unfair advantages. These unfair advantages we'll be learning a little bit more about very soon. But as you can see from just this information, there's a whole visual dose of information in the banner, in the profile image, and then in the other wording that we can use to describe what we do, what we offer, and then the information that we provide. Now, all of this is there at a glance. That's why I say with LinkedIn, you can say hello really, really fast. Because if you include information here that is going to be attractive or significant or relevant or enticing to the people you ideally want to work with or to do business with, then you have a really good chance of getting them in the door. At the very least, they should be intrigued. So it's time for a little exercise. When you look at your LinkedIn profile and the very first things that people will see on the computer screen or on their mobile device when they look for you, if you were your ideal client or your ideal collaborator, would you be intrigued? Would you keep reading? That is the goal that we are going for. In our next video, we'll start looking at how we can optimize all of this. Oh, but let me say a word about that unfair advantage. In fact, there are two, and both of them have been developments that LinkedIn has used to really encourage people to start using their platform with innovation and creativity and in new, effective ways. And these ways serve both the platform, but also its clients, the other users on LinkedIn, and LinkedIn rewards you to use it because it also benefits you. The one is the LinkedIn Creator Mode, which allows you to display the hashtags of the topics you talk about. It allows you to publish newsletters, and it even gives you access to host live audio events on LinkedIn. So these are, once again, features that used to be only available to the media or with a really well-ordered campaign that you had to put a lot of effort into. But the way LinkedIn runs this, you can do it with ease, and it really becomes open to the whole world. The other unfair advantage is the LinkedIn Top Voices program. And on my profile, you can see that at this point in time, I have 2 LinkedIn Top Voices badges, and only one can display at a time. Now, this is one of the areas where I had some success, but also some failure, because the Top Voices badge is not the one that I want. So right now I'm running an experiment to see how long it will take to get the LinkedIn Top Voice badge that I do want. And there's more about that to come in the upcoming videos. The advantage of that Top Voices badge is that it acknowledges your expertise and authority in a field. It also builds credibility. And when you are actively using this top badge, you will find that it actually brings you followers who are interested in what you have to say. And that tells us they might be people who want to work with you in future. And that is why the Top Voices badge is the top secret weapon that is out there right now. We'll be learning more about that, but first, let's tighten up your LinkedIn profile so that you can get the very best results just when people see you for the first time. Go make that great first impression.